Brian.
All right,
yeah.
Julia Janae with Court TV joining us once again for day 5 of this trial. And were you surprised, Julia, that the defendant here didn't take the stand?
I was somewhat surprised. I thought that this would be his opportunity to share what he didn't know, what he did know, maybe show some remorse and show some things that maybe this jury, we know deliberating 6 men, 6 women, would look at as sympathetic to his position in this all. But we saw his attorney, Marielle Lehman, really highlighting his demeanor, how he looks over there at the defense table, even talking about those headphones that we've seen him wearing, and saying that he is hard of hearing, something we didn't hear in the evidence, didn't hear how that plays into this case, but because he didn't take the stand, she could lean into him not having knowledge, not being able to hear well, and there's not really anything to go against that. So clearly this defense felt that it was their best option, especially since you have his wife who took the stand, and it did not help at all.
And shortly after getting the active shooter notification from the school, Julia, the shooter's dad went home to check for the guns. Do you think that will show the jury that he suspected his son and therefore it was foreseeable?
That was a powerful moment when prosecutor Karen McDonald highlighted that she played the 911 call that he made 14 minutes after he got that notification, after he knew that their gun was missing, the ammunition was missing. That really shows these jurors that he had time to think about it and clearly was worried that he was the only parent in that room who suspected, in that school, who suspected that their child could have been the shooter. I do think that was a powerful thing for the state to bring out and to say that he's here for what he didn't do. We typically see charges for what people do, not their omissions or how they fail to act, but here that failure to act is what they say is criminal and what the jury is having to weigh.
All right, Julia, we'll see what that jury decides. I'm sure we'll be seeing you again soon. Julia Janae with Court TV, thank you.